What's up, everybody? Real deal, Neal, Akins Ford, Wild Willies. How's your day going today, y'all? Mine is phenomenal. It's been raining today. I'm headed home to show a great truck to a great friend. Probably going to buy it, and this truck is amazing me. (2021) Ford F150 Lariat. Look at the display. I mean, just take a minute and look at this display. How modern and premium it looks. I love the font choices and the use of colors. It's phenomenal. It's the best. Done. The big 12-inch screen is, I've told you so many times, a huge improvement across the board, and this interior just screams luxury. The truck I'm driving in today is a black over gold color combo. Some of you do not like it whatsoever, and that's okay, but there are a lot of you that love it. I personally love it as well. I love the black over gold and the white over gold. It's just a true classic F150 color combo. Lariat or King Ranch, it's a money shot all the way. We are rolling on 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque via the latest EcoBoost 3.5 liter twin turbo engine technology. I was not a believer in it initially back in 2011. Took me a little while. I'm still a V8 guy. I still love my V8, but this EcoBoost is phenomenal versus the V8. Unless you're going to supercharge, this is the engine to get. There's no doubt. Unless you're going to do power boost. Almost to the house. Let's review. On today's video, we're talking more Covert Edition action. Could you imagine a beautiful F-150 Lariat sitting in your driveway? I always think it is cool to see these trucks in the natural environment, not on the concrete at the dealership all the time, but this Lariat behind us is very fitting for this setting and environment. Let's go. So a 2021 Akins Ford F-150 Lariat, a gate black over stone gray, two-tone accent Lariat truck, has a phenomenal interior. You're truly going to be blown away by the way it appears. And you know, the stone gray, basically it's a black over gold combo. So the black over gold combo, King Ranch Lariat, is being one that's been iconic, and definitely one thing that you notate F-150 with, no doubt. So it was tuxedo black metallic, it was adobe bottom, as well as caribou. So the gold transition has varied over the years, and I honestly like the pale adobe metallic probably best of the golds. The stone gray does have more of a gray to it than an actual gold lower two-tone, so it's not my favorite, but it still works in many ways. Let me show you. One way is that it's got a lot of chrome appearance package going on with it. A Lariat being that signature package that Ford's always had in the F-150 trucks. This truck would work if it had the sport appearance package in the lower two-tone stone gray as well, but the chrome flows nicely. Just a classic, elegant truck, and you can't say that this is a old person's truck because my son loves this color combo. Probably his number one pick would be a black over gold F-150. So this color combo speaks and resonates for all age groups and looks very fitting, y'all, in a natural environment at the house. This truck just fits. It looks premium. It is premium. It's luxurious in many ways. So we're a 5018 Lariat Covert Edition. We've got daytime signature running lights on for you to show how bold they are. They're flashing because of the 4K, if you're wondering. It's a 501A, so you do not have LED projector headlights, but you do have a nice overall appearance and visibility on your factory headlights that come on the 501A. Coming around side, we did a 2-inch Roush Fox coilover suspension leveling kit system. Got Fox 2.0 out back and the coilover kit up front, made it for 2 inches taller, and we are leveled on 35. You heard 35, 11.5, 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler on the factory 20-inch wheel. Again, classic combo, timeless through and through. So a 35, 11.5, 20 enables us to have zero rubbing or trimming front or back. A great setup. It's truly not a 35-inch tire. It's like a 34.68, but it's noted a 35, 11.5. It has a great overall stance and appearance to it. If you did want a true 35, go 295, 65, 20, and you're actually slightly over a 35 and 11.5 wide in itself. So nonetheless, a great overall setup. Definitely gives that proportion and stance that so many of us truly love. A leveled setup with a bigger tire, Nitto Ridge Grapper, that hybrid tire that's performed so well in all conditions and looks very aggressive. That's why it's number one. There's your 2.0s out back, rear wheel well liners, cleaned it up and finished it up. We got a rolling lock, A-series powder coated aluminum with an Akins liner. And with the Lariat, you got tailgate assist, so it falls down nicely. And then I love the strap on the rolling lock. Locked in 3 places, 1, 2, and then all the way. Don't pull too hard here because you can bust these guts out. So be careful when the tailgate's open, and you can fully functional use of your bed cover with the tailgate up or down, which is a added new feature not too long ago. Love the Baja tan and black accents. Even this appears gray to me. Let me know what you think. More gray than black with some Foxwood in black finish there. B&O audio, and it's black, but it's not like a dark rich black. It has a hint of gray to it, but it's called Baja tan with black perforated seats. A phenomenal combo with the big screen with the text front and rear. Start up. Built Ford tough, baby. Now, when the sticker, pause here for info on it. Stock number MFB 91038. Truck is now available as of the 16th of August. Can you believe it's already the 16th of August, y'all? Great options on this one. Power tailgate, max trailer tow, twin panel moonroof, which is a game changer. You know, it truly is a full twin panel. Co-pilot 360 assist, lots of goodies, 360 camera as well, and that lower two-tone paint, only $250, and your B&O audio. It is a 3.5 liter twin turbo, great power in this current gen EcoBoost. Now I want to put it in the garage, and because a lot of you've asked me, real deal, what about garage clearance for this setup? There's no issue with this. Let me show you. As you're pulling in, once your 360 sensor sense something, your screen automatically changes to the 360 camera and your front camera there and showing where the obstacles are at. Louder, good to go. So on your typical standard 8-foot garage, there is zero issue whatsoever. It's tighter to get it in the Akins showroom than it is in a normal size garage. And then even on the normal width too, you've got plenty of room all the way around. And so no worries whatsoever, y'all. Typically we see 4-inchers with 35 still having no issue on that. Obviously my Raptor with 37s fits no problem too. So your biggest thing is going to be those parking decks that are, you know, 7 foot, 7 foot 2 inches, somewhere in that range. Typically maybe like at an airport where you on a lifted truck would have any issue. But all the confidence in the world of fitting anywhere you want to, leveled on 35s. So this will be the rainy day, real deal, neighborhood, bad boy, classic, timeless, Covert edition review. That's a little long, but anyway, you get the drift. Akins Ford F150 Lariat Covert edition, leveled on 35s, bed cover, bed liner, wheel well liners, tires, speedo cowl, level kit system, Lumar tent, paint protection film. Keep forgetting stuff, y'all. I gotta remember all this stuff better, but a diamond in itself in a natural environment. Hope this helps you in envisioning your next vehicle, hopefully right here with us at Akins. As always, thanks so much for watching. Peace.